Okay. Exercises. Answer the following questions. Why did the Europeans feel the need to discover a new sea route to India? Why did the Europeans feel the need to discover a new sea route to India?
To trade in India so that they can earn more wealth.
False. S. Land route and sea route. Land route and sea route were stopped by Turk Muslim in 1453 AD. So, for trading different types of clothes, spices, and also things, they have started discovering a new sea route to India. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, who were the first and last Europeans to arrive in India?
Yes, ma'am.
Who were the first and last Europeans to arrive in India?
Vasco da Gama.
No. First Europeans, arrival of Europeans in India. We have learned
Portuguese.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
who was the first one.
What was the Portuguese?
Huh?
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama, but that is Portuguese people. And last Europeans,
मैम फर्स्ट चैप्टर में सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर ही थे।
what?
फर्स्ट चैप्टर में सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर ही थे ना।
No. I have told you yesterday
French.
also that I will be sending other notes also. Just now I am discussing exercise.
ओके मैम।
French. Last Europe. Last.
Europeans were French, and first was the Portuguese people. So
Portuguese.
the first Europeans who arrived in India was Portuguese with the permission of King Samuel, and last Europeans who arrived in India was French people. Got it?
French.
Yes. Between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What was its result?
Battle of Plassey fought between Britishers and Sirajuddaula Nawab of
Rajadwala
Bengal.
in 1757 AD in the small battlefield of Plassey. Yes. And what was its result? After that, what was its result?
British on.
Sirajuddaula was defeated and Britishers were won. Yes. Sirajuddaula was defeated, British won, and Mirjafar was appointed as a Nawab of Bengal after Sirajuddaula. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Why did Battle of Buxar occur? What was its result? Telling why was Battle of Buxar occur? Because Britishers were not paying taxes to Nawab of Bengal. As Britishers were not paying taxes to Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qureshi, Uli Qureshi has told that has opposite and That's why Battle of Buxar was occurred. And what was its result? After that also Britishers' power was increased. Yes? See over here. See, Mir Qasim was defeated by this company, and then after British power was also under they took control over the Bengal, Awadh, and Mughal Empire. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This was the result. How did Portuguese rule came to an end?
As the Portuguese were not paying the taxes in Bengal, as a result, Shah Jahan burned their ships and ordered uh, ordered them to move out of the country.
Yes, their ships were demolished. That's why they have left. Their rule came to an end in the territories of Diu Daman and Goa. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, fill in the blanks. Dash was the Italian who changed, accepted the challenge to discover the sea route to India.
Can I
Columbus.
answer?
Hmm.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama, very good. Next, Robert Clive conspired to murder. Who will tell? Who will tell? Sirajudwala. Got it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, one by one speak one answer, second answer. Chalo, start. First answer who will be speaking. First answer of the exercise. I have to take name here from here personally and tell it to you. Girls, girls,
yes, ma'am.
who will be
Yes, ma'am.
taking first answer?
Can I,
Hmm?
can I read Fatima Travali?
Yes.
Um, question, question number one. Why there was need to find out sea route by European people? Years back, years back, India was considered one of the richest country of the world. India had an incredible importance in whole world. Its rich culture and prosperity influenced people across the world. Hence, many people of the world were eager to enter into trade with India and earn wealth out of her. Gradually, many merchants from across the world came to India by land. The northwestern countries to start trading with India. The Arabs took underlooked trade with India through the land route. However, as time passed, the situation changed and the trade through the land route stopped. Recently, the demand of India commodities like silk, cotton, muslin, spices, etc. increased. The Europeans market, but these products would not be supplied since the land route was blocked. Thus, in order to meet the demands of European market, Many countries of Europe started searching for a smooth sea route to India. Arabs used to conduct trade between Europe and India. The route passed through Constantinople in Turkey. When the Turks captured Constantinople, they started charging heavy tax from ships that passed through Constantinople. Europeans did not want to pay the tax, and so they discovered new sea route to India. Africa referred.
Yes. What?
Yes, ma'am.
I have given in small words, but when I am sending you notes, you have to write it point first. Got it? Next. Who were the first and the last Europeans to arrive in India?
When I say
Yes.
the sailor Vasco da Gama was the first European and the last European.
Last. Last Europeans.
The Vasco da Gama was the first European and the last European to come to India.
French East India Company. French East India Company. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What was its result? Tell fast.
That
Not getting your voice.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Battle of Plassey was against Rajputana and British.
Hmm? What? What? What you spoke? Beta, I'm asking you. Not you don't want to answer it, then should I stop it? Between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What were its results? Girls,
Yes, ma'am.
between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? What was its result? Odessa Nayanin. You want to answer it or not? Okay, you will not be answering. Between whom was Battle of Plassey? What were its results?
Battle of Plassey was fought between Sirajuddaulah and Britishers.
Yes, and what were its results? What were its results? What were its results? Result was that Sirajudwala was defeated, Nawab of Bengal was appointed, Mirzapur and British power and Britishers had taken the control of Bengal. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, why the Battle of Buxar occurred? What was its result? Next, why the Battle of Buxar occurred? What was its result? Mute your mic. Farmer, mute your mic. Okay, Miss Ma, answer this question. Between why the Battle of Buxar occur? What was its result? Girls, Battle of Buxar was occurred because as British people were not paying taxes to the Nawab, that's why Mirzapur was removed from the Nawab and Mir Qasim was appointed as the Nawab and he asked them to pay the taxes but they have not paid it. That's why Battle of Buxar was started in at Buxar in 1764 and its result was British India company won this war and all of a sudden Bengal, Awadh and Mughal Empire were under the control of whom? Britishers. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not answering? How did the Portuguese rule came to an end?
In the beginning of the 17th century, the Portuguese expanded their trade at Bengal. During this time, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled over the India from Delhi. The Subedar of Bengal accompanied to Shah Jahan about the behavior of the Portuguese. Thus, the fort of Hungary was demolished and ships were burned as per the order of the emperor. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to an end with the expulsion of the terrorists of the US, Daman and Goa.
Well, filling the blank. Flash was the Italian in the Italian accepted the challenge to discover the sea route to India.
Columbus?
Christopher Columbus,
Christopher
yes. Second,
Columbus.
Robert Clive conspired to murder.
Sirajuddaulah.
Sirajuddaulah.
Very good. Now next topic. Next division of this chapter. From discovery of new sea route to India. We will be doing. चलो. Explain me discovery to new sea route to India. Girls, you don't want to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Discovery to new sea route through India.
Ma'am, we have to read.
Not reading. Explain.
In early years, the merchants from the various countries come to India from northern and western lands for the purpose of trading. For years, the Arab trade undertook the trade through the land routes. But the situation changed. The trade through the land route stopped. The
Yes.
demand of India commodities like silk, cotton, leftover spices, etc. increased in the Europe countries. The advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started searching for sea route to India.
Okay. Why it was started? Difficult. Now, how it was started? Which were the people who has tried to find a new sea route through India?
Ma'am,
चलो
your
बोलो.
back voice is coming, so your voice is not is coming.
Who was the first? Who were the people who has tried to find new sea route through India as it was stopped? How was the new sea route started? Are you answering?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Christopher Columbus, an Italian explorer who was one of the brave soldiers who ventured out to find the sea route to India. He thought that one can go the west via west also. Why did he believe so? Think about it. Columbus started his journey to India accidentally. He reached America. As long as he lived, he was under the assumption that he had reached America. History hence even today the citizens of the America are called Red Indians. An island group in the Caribbean is known as West Indians.
Okay, so first was the Christopher Columbus. He has started his journey from Italy. He reached to America accidentally, and as long as misconception, he thought that he has reached to India, but he reached to America, and then again he reached to island group of the Caribbean that is known as West Indies. Okay, and from then, as their skin were reddish brown, from then American people are known as Red Indians. Next was the Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese was a Portuguese sailor. He discovered the sea route to India. He encircled the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calcutta on 22nd May 1498. After crossing the Indian Ocean, during of the King of Malta, the Zamorin gave permission to the Portuguese to trade. Portuguese established a port at Calcutta for trade in 15C. They fortified it and appointed the commander-in-chief named
Not getting your voice. Sakina.
Yes, ma'am.
Too much disturbance is coming,
Almost
guys. Are there anyone? Vasco da Gama.
Yes, ma'am.
Vasco da Gama, who will be speaking?
Vasco da Gama, a native Portugal, discovered the new sea
You
route
don't
to
have to read,
India.
you have to explain.
Vasco da Gama was a Portugal. He discovered new sea route to India. He started his journey with Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calais on 22nd May 1498. After crossing the Indian Ocean, the ruling king of Calais, Zamori, gave permission to
Samorian.
Porto Zamorian gave permission to Portuguese to, to trade. The Portuguese established Fort Calcut for trade in
Calicut.
15,000 Calcut for trade in 15,000 C. They fulfilled in the appointment and commander in the chief, namely Albuquerque, to safeguard the fort. Moving northwards, Al- Albuquerque con- considered Goa in 15,006 CE.
1516.
Within a span within a span of 100 years, the Portuguese took control of Maning- Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and islands of Lanka.
Okay, so Vasco da Gama, he was an Portuguese sailor. As he was living in Portuguese, he was known as a Portuguese sailor. He has started his journey uh, from Cape of Good Hope and reached to the Calicut on 22nd May 1498. With the permission of King Samoan, the Portuguese people came to India, and this way Vasco da Gama has finally discovered a new sea route to India. Got it? And at that and this way Portuguese established a fort in Calicut in 1500 C. 1500 C. And commander-in-chief was Albuquerque. And then in 1506 CE, they conquered Goa. With a span of 100 years, they took control in Bangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai, and island of Lanka. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, end of Portuguese rule. End of Portuguese rule.
yes, ma'am.
End of Portuguese rule.
In the beginning of 17th century, the Portuguese expanded trade at Bengal. At this time, the Mughal Empire Shah Jahan ruled India from Delhi. The Subedar of Bengal complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of Portuguese. Thus, the fort of Hongli was demolished and ships were burned as per the order of the emperor. In this way, the Portuguese rule came to the end, with the expulsion of the terrorists of the New Andaman and Goa.
Very good. So, in beginning of 17th century, they have started trading in Bengal. Okay. So, as they were ruling it from Delhi, India from Delhi. Now, Subedar of Bengal has complained to Shah Jahan about the behavior of Portuguese. They were not paying the taxes and that all things. So, with the that's why they have demolished. They have burned the ships with the order of emperor, and this way the Portuguese rule came to an end. Next, how Dutch people came to India.
Yes, ma'am.
How Dutch people came to India.
After 100 years of arrival of the Portuguese
Portuguese.
at the end of the 16th century, the Dutch Holland came to India for trading. Initially, they established forts at Baghlate and Madras. They also established a trading center at Agra in year 1663. Meanwhile, the British also arrived in India. The Dutch could not withstand the
Competition against the
competition
British.
against competition against the British.
So, as they were said, the Portuguese people are succeeded in trading in India. That's why the Dutch people came to India, and Denmark people from Netherlands came to India. Okay, sorry, the Danish people from Denmark came to India. Okay, and they have started establishing fort in Pulicat, Madras, and then after they have established in Agra in 1663. So tomorrow I will be sending you notes. Write it in your fat books. Complete your fat books in next lecture. That is on Monday. I will be checking your fat books. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.